Hi, friends. So now we are in Switzerland. If you don't know me, I'm Kristin. I'm a travel advisor and also a forever fan of Adam the Woo. I am reviewing his last series in Europe to tell you how to travel like Adam. We all know that tomorrow is not guaranteed, and I think if there was anything, Adam would want you to go explore. So now he is in Malta, flying to Zurich on KM Malta, which he points out is a last minute thing and not part of his original itinerary. So that last minute booking may have been like $300 or $400, but typically that flight is only about $200. He gets into Zurich and he stays at the Hotel Street Goddard. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And that's about a $300 per night hotel, which actually isn't bad for that area, for that city. He does go on a walking tour, and I'm going to leave a couple links to some that I suggest. And he just spends the 2 nights, his arrival night and then the next night. And then on the 9th, he heads to Zermatt. He takes a train. He takes 2 trains. And depending on how you do it, it can be like 3.5 hours to 5 hours to get there on train, and can cost around $200 to $300, but it's obviously all worth it. He does arrive in Zermatt on the afternoon of the 9th, and he's obviously so taken by this, just such a small, charming ski town. He is staying at the Albatross Hotel, and the next day he boards the Garner Grot railway, and that took him on a very scenic train ride, and that was taking skiers up as well, and that's around $60 to do that. And he also had the Better Off Dead quote in there. He then boarded a gondola, the Matterhorn Express, and this is around $30 to do this one and that one. They both were very cool. You can DIY this by booking on your own, or you can do a tour. If I find one that I like, I'll link it below. So if you know you're going to do it, book it right away. Adam then runs into his pal Brickie, which I love that. I love that when you're in a random place and you see somebody you know. I love that. Has that happened to you? It has to me. It's great. That is his last night in Zermatt, and the next day he's going to leave for Geneva, and so we'll do Geneva next. Remember, love your journey. It's the only one you've got.